welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I've recently gotten actually so many new people on my channel from my college videos. So if you're new, hey, what's up? I'm Hannah, and today I'm going to show you guys what clothes I think you need to pack for college. In case you're wondering, I go to Belmont University, which is in Nashville, Tennessee, and actually a lot of people on Belmont don't wear the typical college outfit. I feel like most people in college, especially at bigger schools, just wear leggings and a t-shirt or Nike shorts and a t-shirt, but a lot of people at Belmont actually dress a little nicer. And so depending on the day, depending on how my morning's going, I like to sometimes dress up a little bit. Just know what your style is, what you're gonna wanna wear in college. If you wanna wear leggings every day, go you. Make sure to pack more leggings. If you wanna wear dresses, pack more dresses, like whatever you want. But this is just, if you wanna wear a little bit of everything, I'm gonna be sharing all the different types of clothes and shoes you should be bringing. I'm not really showing accessories or pajamas, things like that, you know, to bring those things. If you guys see my closet tour now, my closet at home is so amazing and has a lot of space, but my school closet does not. I have like, yeah, pretty much this much space. We're condensing everything down, and I'm showing you guys what types of pieces you're actually going to need.
All right, hold on, everybody. Hold together. 10 seconds.
great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and share it with your friends if they're going to school, if you're packing this week like myself and trying to figure out what the heck you need to bring. Share it with them. Maybe we can help each other out. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the rest of my college videos coming in super hot the next few weeks because I'm moving into school on the 18th. So we have move-in vlogs, week in my life, first day of school vlogs. It's all coming and I'm really excited for sophomore year. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!